your girl Lydia Wendy's, and I'm back again with another tutorial. This time I'm going to show you how I've done this eye look and everything else that you see. If you love the look, just stay tuned, don't go anywhere. Alright, hi beautiful people. Today I'm going to show you a certain look that is very interesting. I can't wait to show you, so stay tuned and enjoy the tutorial. I'm going to use Karity professional palette, and it's in smoke. I'm going to use a grey that I've used before in one of my tutorials, and that's over there. It's the yellow over there. Just gonna clean the edges, make them smooth. It's making it look like a lime grey, but that's okay. It's beautiful. That's the trick about the mix of the colors. Sometimes you get a few colors that you didn't expect, and that's beautiful. Yeah, I'm gonna go in with the yellow still because I really want it to show. I'm gonna cut the crease with a Revelation Cut Crease Canvas. It says it's a full coverage eyeshadow base, so I would like to see what it does for me. I like to use a very clean surface. This is the More palette, More Makeup Academy Professional palette, and I'm gonna try to use that blue, but it's quite finished. I'm almost done with it. It looks like that brush that was created to just cut the creases. Yeah, so we're kind of getting the full coverage that we wanted of that blue. I'm gonna go in with this just a little bit around there. Use the Nyx Precision Epic Ink Liner. This is More palette, and there is a light blue over here, so I'm gonna try to put that in the middle of the lid, just a little bit, not so much. Alright, I'm gonna put mascara, and the mascara I'm gonna use right now is called Maybelline Lash Sensational Luscious with Oil Blend. So I'm gonna put that all over my lids just to get rid of those colors on there, because if I just put the lashes, those colors are gonna show, so I don't want them to show. Alright, lovely people, I'm gonna put some black opal foundation. Yeah, so let's take it from there, and yeah, let's just start. This foundation, I like what it looks like, so beautiful. Hello guys, I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline Fitme powder. It's a matte plus poreless powder. Yeah, I'm gonna go in with that, and I'm gonna put it all over my face just to make sure my foundation does not move. But guess what, this foundation, what is it called, the black opal, it does not move anyway. Before I didn't want to buy it because I felt like it might be cheap, and because it's cheap I thought it's not gonna be good, but I've just realized it's better than so many expensive foundations out there. So yeah, I use it, I love it. I don't know if I'm gonna find another one that's as good as it is, but at the moment I can tell you I love it. It's good. It stays on my skin. I put a powder still, but regardless, without a powder, it stays put. It doesn't move, so I recommend it. If you try it and like it, just yeah, keep using. Because it's not too expensive to start with. It's about is it $9.99? It's not expensive, because most foundations that are really good are just about £30, £40. So this is just £9.99, and it's just as good as the other ones. But at least because I've tried the other ones, I know this is very good. So it's amazing. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna go in with the Karity blue, because guess what, the other blue, it's run out. So I'm gonna use this to go under my eyes, and that will wax because it's very similar. Should do. This is a very nice substitute. It's not too different. It is actually. It's quite dark, but yeah, it's still blue, so we can do with that. If I could buy the blue without buying the whole palette again, I'll do that, but I can't. I've got to buy the whole palette. So yeah, because I love that blue. That's why it's finished. I use it all the time because it's nice. It's the baby blue, which is beautiful. Hello guys, this is a Moa Makeup Academy palette, and I'm gonna go back in there and get this set blue. I'm gonna try to mix it with the other dark, with the dark blue I just put, just to get my eyes to look nice. Yeah, it doesn't even have to be the same, but I'm just trying to be a bit more precise. So I'm mixing them a bit, just to get the look that I want. Yeah, that's not very bad. Not too dark, but something just got into my eye. So do you know what? I'm gonna get the yellow, yeah, that yellow over there. I'm gonna mix it with this blue, and yeah, let's see what happens. Because so far, I've got a blue that I didn't exactly expect. So, but it's blue still, so it's doing the job. Yeah, that will do, and it's it mixing up with the blue. It's making a little bit of green there, which is also beautiful because it looks like that. So that is a very nice blend. I like to calm it down because sometimes it's all over the eye, and when I come with a lighter color like yellow and mix it up, it goes up a bit, and the yellow being light, it's not everywhere, all over the eye. I'm back again. I'm gonna put a Maybelline Fitme matte poreless powder. Something. See it on the nose, it's making a little 3D, because really, to be honest with you, I haven't contoured, but you still see that. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Right, I've got something there, and yeah, that was the eye care liner. It's a white liner. Now I'm gonna get the mascara, and I'm gonna put it on the lower lashes, just the lower lashes. I'm gonna use the Freedom palette. It's called Pro Blush palette in pink and baked. So I'm gonna use that and that. So I'm gonna use those two and mix them up usually. And the reason why I mix the two is because I'm trying to dilute the maroon. I want something that's a bit subtle. Usually looks nice. Just give it a little shadow over there using blush. That's just okay. And I'm gonna use a lipstick. So the lipstick I'm gonna use today is a Primark lipstick. I saw it and I thought it was beautiful, and it was only £2. So I'm like, why not? Let me try it. Something like PS, I think, made in Primark, and it's in the color Cherry Bomb. Yeah, so I'm gonna use that, and we'll take it from there. It already looks very nice. Wow. I think I'm very good at finding cheap things that are really nice. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like. Be blessed.